All right, what's up, guys? It's October 7th. Took one break even and one win today. Let's go over what I took. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So, going into the morning, I saw this big move to the upside in the overnight session, and as soon as I get on the charts in the morning, pre-market, I see we just took this internal high and we had a 1 minute change in the state. It was honestly that simple. It was such little risk that I was like, okay, I'll give this a stab. So I took a short once we got the 1 minute change with the stop at the internal high. And yeah, my target was these 15-minute lows. You can see this low untapped, this low untapped, untapped, untapped. So I want to see all these lows get ran through quick, like we did, acting as low resistance. And you can see market ended up opening. We did start getting a move down, but we ended up waking back up. Once I seen that, with us also taking these internal lows, I just moved myself to break even, and you guys could probably guess what happened. Ended up getting stopped to break even, uh, and then we absolutely just dumped the rest of the day. So today really should have been a nice 15-20K day. It would have been a huge trade. But it happens. You can't just market isn't going to be in your favor every day, and that's what you got to learn. You can't get mad. You can't be like, oh, I'm gonna re-enter because it stopped me out. Nope. That was my entry. It stopped me out to break even, and that's it. You know. Now maybe I could have re-entered on this internal soup right here, but by this point, I was already like, I would have wanted to see the shorts play out already. So I just wanted to like not to worry about the shorts right now. But what I did take was a long on ES. If we zoom this out over here, you can see we took this internal low with an SMT, and I ended up just slapping a long right here. And when I moved myself to break even on my other trade, I made like $50. So literally, I entered one ES con, risking those $50 that I made from the NQ break even, and was just looking for these equal highs. Now, you might ask, oh, why did I close here if my target was these equal highs? Now, on my top step accounts, I'm eligible for another payout, but I need two more trading days. So as soon as I hit $200, I was already in my mind like, all right, I'm probably just gonna call it a day. I'm not really gonna trade anymore. Um, so as soon as I was up $200, I closed the trade, and that's basically why I closed there. And thankfully, I did. It basically top ticked it. This was my exit right here. Um, and yeah, just closed there to get my trading day, and that's pretty much it for the day. Not really much to go over. Um, it was a nice little trade, up like 1,300 on the day, and yeah, these shorts. I wish it didn't stop me out of break even, man. Like, if market would have just opened and we would have dumped. Oh, bro, but we just started barcoding and then just crazy sell off. So that's pretty much it for today. Um, Happy we ran away from all time highs. We had nice manipulation on both ES and NQ. Um, Let me like close all this. You can see we've had nice manipulation on ES and also on NQ. We've got some displacement down, so really good. Probably get some more bearish action for the rest of the week. And hopefully we just continue dumping, so we have more trades to take, more longs, more shorts, more price action to go off of. So it's basically it for the day. It's been a pretty slow like week and a half. You can see, looking at my journal, um, we had no trading Monday, Tuesday win, and then break even win, break or no trade, and then no trade. So there's been a lot of more break even and no trading days, and it probably has to do with the government shutting down. So that's basically it for today. Um, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Uh, Join the Discord if you haven't already. If you're watching this on YouTube, I opened up a free Discord. I'll pull it up right over here. Um, Opened up a free Discord, completely free to join. I'll leave the link in the description. And you can see here, pre-market bias. I sent the video and I even called out, took an early pre-market short. I called out right when I entered at the top, and we ended up dumping. So um, if you were in the free Discord, probably would have took those shorts and would have banked. Some people did. I called this out on the higher time frame, starting to show a nice move to the downside. We have a lot of generated sell side on ESNQ, looking really clean, and you can see here perfectly exactly how I predicted and exactly how I called it. Called it out in the free Discord. Um, you can see I Eat Your Cat ended up taking some shorts, getting him back on the day, and also Haaland ended up taking those shorts and catching the whole move. So people in Discord banking, shout out them boys. Uh, Thank you guys for joining, and yeah, that's basically it for the day. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Leave it in the bio. Follow the TikTok, follow the Instagram, and I'll catch you guys. Peace.